Arrive at the company before 9 o'clock and risk termination. With a company like yours, I could easily buy you out while doing part-time jobs. I'll return this and leave the card here for now. Working? I won't work a day in life. I'll earn $200 by opening packages first thing in the morning. Start. To turn a rough space into a refined one, you can't lose this renovation tool. Who will be favored today? It's you. Dressed up beautifully, heading out to make money, let's go. No drinking and driving, I'll walk instead. The god of wealth is in the south, so I'm going north with a positive mindset.